Hello everyone, I am Shiny. Welcome to my channel Shinyjohnsonart. Today I am painting a cute bird or tiny sparrow using a 12 number round brush. So firstly we are painting with clean water and I am using watercolor. So these are the colors I am using in my painting today. So let's start painting a cute bird. So painting with clean water and spreading it all over bird's head portion. Next we are painting with gray color. So very less amount of color we are using. Applying for bird's head portion. So here we are working on the lighter values. Now again firstly with plain water, then applying color. So I am applying less amount of color here. So everywhere the same technique is applied. So I am using light blue color and very less amount of color. So I am merging it everywhere, spreading the color. So the color is transparent and so it is seen that the shades of color is forming by its own, and now dragging some of the color till the tail portion towards the tail portion. And so here I am making the color everywhere the same, that is here excess of color is there, that is along with water. So as you can see, then here the water is more and the amount of color is less. So here we have applied the first layer, that is working on the lighter values and merging the color, and now I am just like drawing lines on the feather of the bird, that is everywhere I am working on the darker values slightly. So for the edges of the bird, again we are using some more darker values. So I am sharpening the edges of the bird and dragging the color to the tail portion, and so some more amount of color I am using for the edges of the edge portion of the bird, and dragging the same color to the tail portion. So everywhere the water is proportionate, and but here the color is having shades. Here we can see shades of blue color. Now we are removing blue color which has spread over the neck portion. So removing it and applying some more gray color, that is spreading gray color everywhere all over the head and neck portion of the bird. So some more amount of gray color I am applying on the neck portion of the bird. So darkening the neck portion, and again applying gray color for the head portion of the bird. So for neck and head portion we are using gray color. So here there is excess amount of watercolor. So I am dabbing brush on a tissue paper and again dabbing brush on a tissue paper. So this is how we can easily remove excess amount of watercolor. Next we are painting bird's legs. For that I am using number 1 round brush and using black color for bird's legs and claws of the bird. So carefully painting birds both legs and claws. Yep, we are completed with bird's legs painting. Now again with number 1 round brush, till that this color gets dried, we are painting bird's beak with dark brown color. So here we have to carefully paint bird's beak, otherwise the color should not go outer portion. So it has to be carefully painted. And now next highlighting the edges of the bird's head with a little more darker gray color. So just to highlight the edges of bird's head. So continuing with highlighting the edges of bird's head. So little more color there. Next we are painting bird's eyes with number 1 round brush. So very carefully painting eyes of the bird. Now for painting bird's eyeball we are using dark blue color. So carefully painting. So the white portion has to be there as it is. So the color should not spread anywhere around. Now slightly with grey color, moving the brush for birds' thin and tiny hairs. And now highlighting the beak with a black pen. Here there's a black mole is there on bird's beak. If you carefully notice bird's beak and highlighting with black pen the eyes of the bird. So now it's done. So now this is how just I am highlighting birds' hairs, tiny hairs. So this is how we can easily paint a bird. So it's a tiny hole on bird's beak, which I said mole earlier. So here just I have drew a branch, so I quickly painted. So here I am painting again bird's feather, highlighting the feather with little more darker values of blue color. Now lastly with some splash color. This is how we can paint a cute bird. And hope so you like the video of bird or a tiny sparrow painting, and if so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.